Wales is partnering with the Charlotte area spice company Flavor Seed. As part of a course, our culinary nutrition students are working with this family business to learn what launching a business requires.
I think this partnership is a good example of how JWU is showing up in the community. When Flavor Seed reached out for a partnership, it felt like the perfect hyper-local opportunity. Our students are supporting a grassroots business and learning throughout the process.
They get to learn what it looks like to be an entrepreneur, what it looks like to actually have to go out and learn how to build your website and market to the community. We started out the course by allowing them to taste and sample Flavor Seed's products. They in turn have used their creativity and created recipes, eventually fulfilling a cookbook.
We're helping to raise awareness about the brand as well as learning culinary and business lessons. I really enjoyed working with Flavor Seed. It was memorable and quite an educational experience.